So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can restore phone icon on your iPhone. So this is my iPhone, and as you can see here, the phone icon is missing here. So if the phone icon is missing on your iPhone, then there is a simple way to bring it back. For this, follow these steps. Swipe down on the home screen and search for phone. Now, long press the phone app and then tap on Add to Home Screen. Now this will add phone app to the home screen. Now you can adjust the location of the phone app. For this, long press the app icon like this and then drag it to where you want to keep it. For example, here. Now tap on Done. And this will restore the phone icon back on your iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.